All right, here we're looking at brake systems. More specifically, this is the Bear system that we're going to look at. This is the T4. So two things that you want to look at when shopping for brake systems. What are you going to do with the truck, and how much of the wheel do you want it to fill? So going off that, we'll take a first look at rotor size. This is a 13-inch one-piece rotor. This will be a 14-inch two-piece rotor. Not all systems will offer the option for both. You'll either be a one-piece rotor, two-piece rotor. The one-piece rotor is going to be a little more inexpensive, still cross-drilled slotted, zinc-plated, directionally vented. The two-piece rotor is going to be a little bit lighter, and it looks a little cooler. Going to a larger rotor does offer you more leverage on the caliper, so it will stop. There is an advantage to having a larger rotor, other than it just fills the wheel better. Secondly, piston count. This is a 4-piston. A lot of guys are really familiar with the 6-piston, but when it comes down to it, it's not all about piston count. We have 4-piston systems like this one here that'll perform on par with other 6-piston systems. So it really comes down to pad area and just how the caliper is built. So really just look at all options. I always tell customers, look at what size rotor you want and what you want for piston count and what you're doing. And then we can find a blend of just what works overall and best for you.